National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a tornado warning for Scott County, southern Carver County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Henderson, or 25 miles north of Mankato, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Belle Plaine around 7:45 p.m. New Prague and Jordan around 7:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Shakopee, Prior Lake, Savage, and Lakeville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
This message from the Emergency Alert System is now concluded. From WeatherScan 24/7 online radio.